all the course of study materials are available online, thus creating a paperless learning environment which is more affordable while also being beneficial of the environment. Um, Another advantage, online classes they allow students to attend class from any location of their choice. It will be easy from them. This is my point to advantage online class.
Okay, sorry for interrupting, Haida. So we need to attend our online class. First, we need internet. Okay, we doesn't have internet, we can't enter online class. So example about me, I didn't have internet, so I'm lag. So I share device with Visolan. If he doesn't hear, how can I enter this discussion?
He means if I'm not here, then how would he be able to attend the class now?
Yeah. So that is my first point.
Yes. So he would not attend the class. So internet is a very important thing for online class. And if
not have internet, we can't make the online class.
Yes, and also Haida said before this that we can study also online by using ebooks. Earlier I told that your eyesight is going to spoil. Then you told me that the hours of learning will be lesser. And then I told you there's assignment plus the hours of learning. Okay, even though if it's less now, based on what Haida said, she's she's telling that people should learn using ebooks. So by learning using ebooks, more time we are going to spend and worsening our eyesight. It would worsen our eyesight.
Yes.
Yeah. So that is the disadvantage. And then she said it's very cost efficient to study online because you just need only one laptop. But then I think my health is more important than the cost I spend. So when it comes to cost or health, I prefer my health because I can't be spending more than that for my doctor, like for my medical health care treatment. In the future, I might be spending more than that, more than even I saved. So might as well I go to a physical classroom and not get my eyes damaged and be healthy, and I can save much more money.
Yes. So if subjects of maths all we can't understand in online, we need to understand the formula all.
Yes, and the teacher can teach us more better, and we have the connection between the teacher and the student, and it helps us to study even more better. Because the teacher is talking in front of the screen and the student is talking in front of the screen, we don't get that attachment. We don't feel the vibe of studying. We don't. If the teacher, even if we don't get that attachment, that's the problem, and that's very important when it comes to studying.
So compared to online class, physical classroom is more advantage and more comfortable to us.
Yeah, to us we feel that on physical classroom is much better
compared to online class. So that is our conclusion. Can you agree with us?
Yes, and also another point I would like to say that the quality of education will be degraded, because now if we were to study online classes, we will take online exam. So in online exam, the students has a lot of chances to copy, and the quality of the graduate will not be the same as the person who studied in physical classroom.
Yeah. Okay, I'm sorry for interrupting. As you said, students can cheat, right? Students can cheat when they're doing their exam in online, right? So it's a good point, it's a valid point, but we can still avoid that. I can still prove you that point will not be a exact point, will not be a good point, I think, because to avoid that, the teachers can ask the students to switch on their camera.
Even though the teacher asks the student to switch on the camera, even now, this fellow has notes in front of him and this fellow is looking at the notes now. And if it were to be an exam, the fellow will do the same. And how would you find out?
It's just an example.
This is just an example. And there's many other ways. He can use another device. He can minimize this page and he can go to Google and search for the answer. There's a lot of ways.
Even though you also do the same thing also, we also don't know about that.
Okay. Enough.
Right. Okay. Doesn't mean okay. You are saying that or the students might or the students can copy even the camera, even they switch on their camera, right? So doesn't mean that the students who are doing their exam face to face, they won't copy. It won't be like that. Even I've seen before when I was in secondary school, I've seen before my friend, my desk mate, he copied from a book to write an essay. You know,
Yes.
the history essay. Even this thing happened in face-to-face exams. Doesn't mean online classes will only have that kind of problems.
Bro,
Before this online classes, before this pandemic or the online thingy came, when the face-to-face classes, the students do copy for their exams. They're like, okay, let's say in the hall there will only be few teachers who will be roaming here and there, but the teachers won't be like they won't observe you all the time. So the students will take a chance from that. The students will use that time to copy.
Understand.
To copy, right?
The risk is more on face to face. The risk is more on face to face because there'll be either 2 or 3 invigilators roaming around, and because they are roaming around, the student will feel scared. The student will feel scared to copy, and also when doing online exams, there's no reason for him to fear because he can use it without anyone knowing. He would know that the teacher 100% would not know because the teacher does.
Sorry for interrupting. It's the same thing. Okay, even in the face-to-face class, as you say, the students will be like, they don't dare enough to copy even if the teacher are roaming here and there. It's the same thing. Even if the students copy in the online exams, even if they copy from another website, the teacher can find out because there is an application. As I said just now, I'm sorry because I don't remember what is the actual name, but there is a website which can find out whether the students copy paste from another website or not. So it's the same thing. I don't think so. It's a different. Yeah.
No. It's a different thing because if a student copy paste from a website, it's only applicable for copy paste. If let's say I found a point, but the problem is I don't have the point. So when I don't have the point, I search for the website for the point and I write it on my own self. So when I'm writing it on the own self, I'm somehow copying the point. But then the phrase, I'll rephrase it back again. So how is the lecturer going to know? And also, if the answer is just one word, and if he copies the one word from the internet and put it here, how is the lecturer going to know? And what you said is only based on a text. If he copies a text, and if 3 words from the text is the same, only then that app could detect that it has been copied. If not, the app would not detect. So if I know that, I would not do it in such way. I would do it smartly, but I'll be still copying. So I have that freedom of copying in online tests.
All right. Okay. All right. Okay. So far, I have nothing to say because I think it's a valid point. It's a good point. So, Hideout, do you have anything to say? Lastly.
I think it's a very point. I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say.
So that's it. Hello. Hi, Haida. What's happening? Okay, so that's it. You both do you both agree that that
Yes,
physical
yes.
class? Yeah.
Yes,
Okay. So
agree.
in conclusion.
So the conclusion is, physical classroom is more suitable for students compared to online class.
Yeah,
Right.
it has advantages.
So that's all from group 2. Bye. Thank you. Finish last
It's
stupid.
it's a wonderful. Wait, aku baru nak cakap ayat aku, babi.
Hey, don't let me talk anything now. That fellow wanted to talk, now.
What?
He wanted to tell something.
What you want to tell something?
Okay. It's okay.
Yeah, I wanted to tell like, okay, it's a wonderful discussion. I feel better after discussing with you guys.
You tell me, yeah.
Okay, just stop.
Stop. I won't control. Okay,
Hey, you sure you can trim that or not? You can trim that or not?
Yeah, we all tried it. If it come matching, means you all trim that one for you. If not, we all just. But these are not that important, so you just try to talk. We all see. Because it's not display sitting and woke up already. Now display sitting on different position now. That one is the problem.
Okay, right. Hey, that one I don't think so. It will be a problem. You can just say like it's an internet problem, madam. You can say that.
Okay.
Okay. One.
Internet problem.
Problem is a reason.
So physical classroom is more suitable.
See, use internet as a reason for your mistake. Okay, come.
1, 2, 3. Okay. I think it's a wonderful discussion. I feel better now after discussing with you guys. And thank you so much for letting us know and explaining your point of view. So what you guys thinking and all. So thank you so much for cooperating with us.
Hope you guys enjoyed too. Thank you.
Yeah.
And
Thank you, Aida.
signing.